Okay, here's a little flyover of the SG. And hopefully we'll be getting to work on this pretty soon. Warms up a little bit out there. And here we got the Explorer. Banana headstock. This one's got a white pick guard. I like the grain in this. I'm going to do this one natural. I think that's going to look really good. Let's have a look at the back. Try and get it to focus. And the back of the neck. This light mahogany. Ukume, I guess is how they say it over in China. Or Indonesia. Or wherever they put these together. So it looks like we got 3 pieces for the body. And the back of this neck, same thing, very light looking. And so this one I believe I'm going to stain red with Angelus dyes, and this one's going to be natural. Alrighty, that's all folks. I'm going to do these one at a time just because I know they're going to take a bunch of the heat out of there. And so I'll set that right down on there. Okay. Shake loose as much of the initial air as possible. Okay, we're back. Loosen my control here. Potted pickups. Rigid neck for the SG kit. Going in there now with the bridge pickup for the Explorer. I'll try and be easy on the slapping it down on the metal. Don't want to mar up the gold finish too much. But I'm sure these won't be in there for too long. We'll see how long I remain broke for. Now you can see the bubbles popping out of there. Let's get this one right in beside it. Let's shift this one over there for a minute or two. Yep, okay, we'll let both of those heat up. Hang it in the way here for a minute. Pull that one over there some more. And got some air bubbles right up out of there. Yep, more out of that one. Okay, I'm going to tend to this alarm and be right back. Let those soak. I don't see anything else. Oh, I waxed the end of my wires. Alright, I'd say that's good. Let's get it out of there before I wax the other end of the other wire too. Okay. 4 kit guitar humbuckers potted in the wax pot. All done. So that should improve sound quality a little bit. Till I can afford some good pickups.